This is one of the most reliable and useful accessory for helmet if in case you are using any action camera like GoPro. This helmet chin mount helps to hold the action camera to your helmet no matter how the chin part of the helmet is curved. This is from the brand Bluarmor. The cost of this is 399 rupees, which is worth the price. In the package, you get this chin mount only, no extra things are there. According to this brand, it is useful for any type of action camera like GoPro, DJI, SJ Cam and more. Also, up to 160 km/h speed it can resist. Now, I'm going to set up this chin mount to my helmet. If you observe this helmet, there is an airflow cutout at the chin part. I don't want to block this. This chin mount helps in this situation. I have seen some videos on attaching these small chin mounts with a M seal, but it blocks the air vent on the front permanently. The installation of this chin mount is very simple with little patience. Take a clean cloth and wipe out the dust if anything is there on the helmet. After cleaning it, check the alignment without wrapping out the safety sticker which is there on the chin mount. If you are okay and comfortable with the position, remove the safety sticker and attach it to the helmet. Note that this is a one-time use product. If you placed it incorrectly and tried to remove means you can't attach it to helmet again. So be careful and plan before attaching it to the helmet. After sticking it to the helmet, gently press all over the edges, middle part and flat areas so that it sticks perfectly. Now I'm going to attach an action camera and see how it looks like after that. This is what it looks like with an action camera. Finally, the verdict, whether it is good or bad. The straight answer for this is it's good and I recommend you to buy this. It's totally worth. Check out the affiliate link in the description box and buy through it so that I can get some commission that helps me to review more products in future. Thanks in advance for buying through the link. If you are looking for the best action camera under 10,000 rupees, this is the video you need to click on. See you again in the next video. Take care.